Thutha wa President gwathana, thibitari ciothe iria thiri wacio wa NHIF uri thi wa ciringi mirioni ikumi irihwo, mathibitari makoretwo metereire kwamukira mbeca ici. Indi kuringana na muikariri giti wa kiama kia mathibitari mandu kiumbe matauni-ini na matura-ini RUPHA Brian Lishenga, nginyagia riu gutiri thibitari wamukirite marihi maya. Riu mwihoko wao uri undu uyu ni ugukinyanirio ica ikuhi ta uria President athanire.
The presidential directive for immediate settlement of claims below 10 million shillings is yet to be effected. There is no single hospital, whether private, faith-based or public, that has received any of that money from the President's directive. And he gave an unambiguous timeline for settlement of other claims that are above 10 million shillings. As a sector, what we want the actors, the state actors, the minister, treasury, all those who are tasked with ensuring that presidential directives are implemented, we want them to actually move with speed and implement the President's directive.
Lishenga augite RUPHA makoretwo makiuga mutaratara uria thirikari igathikite wa kwandikithia andu mutambo-ini wa SHA ni undu uhingiriirie andu aingi kurihira, undu uria riu ucangiire gukundera gwa kigina kiria kibatie gukorwo gikirogotwo.
We have raised concerns about the model, the proxy means testing. We know that the government is aware that proxy means testing is keeping a lot of Kenyans away from contributing, and that is affecting cash flow at SHA. So these are things which we hope that the Cabinet Secretary, the Principal Secretary, the new leadership at SHA will be able to take fast so that we don't continue to have the hiccups that we've been having.
Essentially, the message given was, as once you register for SHA, then you are entitled to cover. But that entitlement is to the two funds, the emergency and chronic one and the primary care one. So primary care you can get everywhere as long as you're registered. Emergency care you'll get if you land in any health facility as long as you're registered. But for you to get what I may call secondary services, then you must contribute to NHIF. For you to access surgery and dialysis and certain other services, you must have paid for NHIF.
Oho RUPHA maugite ona gutuika riu mubango wa SHA uthiete na mbere na kugacirithio, no maratungana na moritu ma kurihwo mbeca cia mamwe ma motungata maria maheanite ta ma uthinjani kuma mweri wa 11 mwaka muhituku.
However, we still have challenges, especially with processing of surgical claims. So we have a huge backlog that goes back to November of surgical claims that are in clinical review. One of the things that was proposed in the new reforms was that we would have a claims management office, a pre-authorization committee that would look at all these things. We would like SHA to be capacitated enough to be able to have proper human resources so that we do not have the kind of backlog we are seeing where, yes, we are having approvals to conduct surgery, but it is not being matched with the cash flow.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, uria wari muteithĩrĩria wa minister ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri hindi ya utongoria wa President Uhuru Kenyatta Dagitari Mwangangi ni amuritwo ta murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa SHA, akiyukia giturwa giki kuma kuri Robert Ingasira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.